again, everybody. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. Now, I've made a video on Roblox, but I want to delete it because you'll see. But I'll show you my Roblox character at the end of this video. So, okay. So, other people are playing this, okay? You can play too, okay? You can play too, okay? Once I post this video, I'm going to be playing. But you better do it soon because, well, if I join out, you probably wouldn't want to know about it. So we're going to I just got this grab. Oh my gosh, there's a big pillar of lava. Just jump! Oh, I thought I can use my gravity coil to jump over that thing. That'll be insane. That'll be crazy, but no, I didn't do it. Oh my gosh, we're in Galaxy World. What happens if I use my gravity coil? Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh! It bounces you up super high. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. This is super high. Okay, let's take it off and oh my gosh! Oh no! It bounced me out of the world. Okay, I ooped, but now I can respawn. Okay. Ew! We're going in that man's tongue? Gross! Is he gonna poop us out? That can get eaten? Okay. I think it's gonna be, okay. Oh my gosh! Okay, we went inside of him. Guys, this is like get eaten. You get pooped out. So, goodbye.